Ever wished your car could cook meals, charge everything, and save you in emergencies, all at the same time? Sounds crazy, but most drivers don't realize how unprepared they actually are until something goes wrong. Welcome back to Quincy Gadgets, your go-to spot for trending Amazon car gadgets, smart tools, and clever upgrades that actually make driving easier. Some of these feel like pure convenience, but a few might completely change how you survive on the road. Great, let's move to the first gadget. Ever been stuck on a road trip with nothing but cold snacks? Here's the problem. Most car setups aren't built for real meals. And this is where it gets interesting. The Overland Kitchen turns your trunk into a full cooking station in seconds. Just slide it out, and everything is organized: stove, storage, workspace. No more messy setups on the ground. But the real twist? It makes your car feel like a mobile home, anywhere you park. Ever struggled cleaning your wheels or fixing something low without killing your back? Most people squat and regret it instantly. But here's the smarter way. This VEVOR Rolling Seat lets you glide around your car while sitting comfortably. Just roll, reach, and work with zero strain. It even has built-in storage for your tools. But the unexpected part? Once you use it, you'll wonder why working on your car ever felt like a workout. Why do sauces always spill right when you need them most? You grab fries, take a turn, and boom, total mess. But here's the fix most drivers don't know. The Saucemoto clips right onto your air vent and holds your dipping sauce perfectly in place. No more balancing cups or risky one-hand driving. And here's the twist. It actually makes eating in your car feel clean and controlled, even on bumpy roads. Who's really watching the road when you're driving at night or in heavy traffic? Most drivers think they're safe until something unexpected happens. This WOLFBOX dash cam replaces your rearview mirror with a full wide HD display, showing everything behind you in real time, even in low light. No blind guessing anymore. But here's the scary part. It captures everything, so if something happens, you have proof instantly without arguing. How many times have you fought over charging ports in the car? One phone dies, another is at 5%, and suddenly everyone's frustrated. This is where SUPERLIT changes the game. It's a 3-in-1 retractable charger that lets front and back passengers charge at the same time. No tangled cables, no mess. Just pull, plug, and power up instantly. But the real surprise? It keeps your car looking clean while quietly solving one of the biggest road trip arguments. Which one surprised you the most so far? The kitchen setup, the dashcam mirror, or this 3-in-1 charger? Be honest, would you actually use any of these in your car, or are they just cool to watch? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for the next batch of insane car gadgets you've never seen before. How would you change a flat tire if it happened in the middle of nowhere at night? Most drivers panic or wait helplessly. But this is where the Amvia jack kit changes everything. It gives you the power to lift your car quickly and safely without needing a workshop. Just plug it in, press a button, and the car rises smoothly. No heavy lifting, no struggle. But here's the real shock. What used to take effort now feels almost effortless, even in emergencies. When does a dead battery usually happen? Right when you're late, stuck, or nowhere near help. That's the worst timing possible. But the Ebossom Battery Jumper is built for exactly that moment. It's compact, powerful, and can bring your car back to life in seconds, without another vehicle. Just connect it, start your engine, and you're gone. No waiting, no asking strangers. But here's the real game changer. It turns a stressful breakdown into a 30-second fix. What happens when your phone dies, your tools are low, and you're far from any power outlet? Most drivers just wait and lose time. But DEWALT changes that idea completely. This rugged car charger turns your vehicle into a mobile power station, giving you multiple ports to charge phones, tools, and devices at the same time. Just plug into your car and power up instantly. But the surprising part? It feels like carrying a workshop power source right inside your dashboard. How often do you plug in your phone just to use maps or music while driving? It feels outdated, right? This is where the Jemluse CarPlay Adapter changes everything. It turns your wired CarPlay into a wireless experience in seconds. No cables, no plugging in every time. Just get in the car and it connects automatically. Navigation, calls, music, all ready instantly. But here's the real surprise. It makes your old system feel brand new without replacing anything. How do you climb into a lifted truck or SUV without struggling or slipping? Most people jump, grab, or risk a fall every time. But the Moki Ascent Step fixes that instantly. It hooks onto your door frame and gives you a stable stepping point so you can get in and out safely. No more awkward climbing or dirty seats from shoes. But here's the unexpected part. It feels like your car suddenly became way more accessible and premium at the same time. Wait, don't scroll yet. Because the next gadget I'm about to show is either genius or completely unnecessary, and you'll instantly know which side you're on. But first, I need your opinion. Out of everything so far, which one feels the most, I actually need this in my car right now? Drop it in the comments. And stay tuned because the final reaction usually changes everything. Where do your phone, keys, or even cards usually disappear while driving? That tiny seat gap is responsible for more frustration than most drivers admit. But this is where the Givifive car seat gap filler changes the game. It blocks that dangerous gap and turns it into a clean storage zone. No more reaching down while driving or risking a crash just to grab something. But here's the real twist. It actually makes your car feel instantly more organized and stress-free. How do parents keep kids quiet on long drives without constant, "Are we there yet?" moments? That's where things usually get stressful fast. But this backseat tablet holder changes everything. It securely mounts to the headrest and keeps tablets right in front of passengers for movies, games, or learning. No more holding devices or neck strain. But here's the real shift. It turns the backseat into a mini entertainment zone, making long trips feel way shorter for everyone. When do drivers usually wish they had more visibility? It's always during emergencies, breakdowns, roadside stops, or heavy fog at night. That's when things get risky fast. But this roof strobe beacon light bar changes the game instantly. It flashes bright signals that make your car visible from far away, warning others to slow down or stay clear. No complicated setup, just mount and activate. But here's the real impact. It can turn a dangerous roadside moment into a much safer situation in seconds. How do you get other drivers to actually notice your message on the road? Honking doesn't work, gestures get ignored, and frustration builds fast. But this programmable LED scrolling display changes everything. It lets you type custom messages that scroll clearly across your car, warnings, directions, or even fun texts. Just connect it and update instantly from your phone. But here's the surprising part. It turns your car into a moving communication board that everyone can see, even in traffic chaos. When did your car start turning into a messy storage box instead of a clean driving space? Snacks, chargers, receipts. Everything just disappears into chaos while you're driving. But this front seat organizer fixes that instantly. It hangs neatly between the seats and creates multiple storage pockets right where you need them. No more digging while driving or distractions on the road. But here's the real difference. It transforms clutter into instant control, making your car feel organized again in seconds. After all these gadgets, one thing is clear. Most driving problems come from small daily annoyances, not the car itself. Each tool quietly fixes something you deal with every day. So the real question is, would you actually upgrade your car with any of these, or keep driving the same way?
We're a team passionate about discovering the smartest and most useful car gadgets. Our mission is simple: help you drive safer, smarter, and better every day.